Gina here, and welcome back to the channel. So this is my husband Chris, you guys probably know. Hold this up here.
Oh, hey.
So we're at the Grove. We just went to dinner, and now we're on a scavenger hunt. So my husband has planted 5 different pineapple stickers all over the Grove. So I'm supposed to find them, and if I find them, I get prizes. I went through my stuff and got my pineapple stickers.
The only time she'd be happy about me going through her stuff.
So I said, hey, I want to get a coffee, which is not keto, by the way. This is full sugar. And
I figured at some point that I would have an opportunity.
He said, don't worry. And here's Santa's house. So I found 3 of the stickers, so we're going to keep on hunting for them. Okay, so this is 3 of the stickers. So I have 2 more left?
Yeah, we should go on the other side.
And here's the exit of Santa, by the way. But this Santa, you have to have an appointment. You can't just show up at this Santa. You need reservations. This is why people come to the Grove. This right here is why people come.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So my favorite store is Madewell. So I have a feeling there might be one in front of Madewell.
Maybe.
And there might be one in front of Nordstrom.
Maybe.
Okay, let's see. I found another one. Wait, hold this. Look what I found! Alright, got another sticker! So, just a little backstory to this. You guys might not know this, but one of the first dates my husband took me on, we were at Universal Studios, and he planted like half a dozen stickers all over the Universal City Walk.
That's before I had kids and I had more time.
Yeah, and he told me that if I find them, then each sticker is going to be a prize. And his car was full of presents in the trunk, and they were wrapped. He even got me a bag of lemons because I said I needed lemons, and he remembered, and he got me a bag of lemons. And then he got me...
That way she wouldn't have to go to the store.
And then he got me the whole book series of...
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games, and I never read one.
Nope, not
but
one.
But he still bought it for me, and he bought me a watch. She's so cute. Never wore it because I hated it, but didn't tell him that until after we got married. Ha! All right, so we have one more pineapple. Okay.
Do you know this recording?
Yeah. Okay. I think this is the one I have. Yeah, I need 29. Okay, surprise number 1. New jeans from Madewell because my other ones are too big. So surprise 1 was getting me into size 29 jeans at Madewell. This is what eggs and bacon got me. Size 29 jeans. Okay, I found it. Here's the last one. Okay. Okay. What do I win?
You'll have to wait and see when we get back to the car.
Oh, it's in the car.
It's in the car.
It's in the car.
It was there the whole time and you didn't even know it. It's not a brand new car.
Oh, I didn't win a new car?
I'm not that rich.
Okay. I found all 5 stickers.
Unfortunately.
Oh, and I got another shirt at Madewell. So he went in thinking he was just getting me pants, and then I got a shirt too. But we saved money!
Oh yeah, because when I walked out of the store, they're telling me that somehow I walked out with more money than I had coming in. The math doesn't add up, but that's what they tell me.
Just pick your battles. Best marriage advice, just pick your battles. It'll be okay.
You know the rules, right? If you guess wrong, I take it back.
I found all 5 stickers. So I got 2 prizes. So, okay, this is something that's been shipped, but you could have put it inside another box. Maybe you ordered... Shoot, now I don't know.
There's a lot of pressure because, like I said, if you guess wrong, I take it back.
Oh my god, you even put the pineapple washi tape right here?
Yeah, that's the main tape I could find.
Oh my god. Okay.
I really got into your stuff.
I think that this might be...
I left a mess. I'm just kidding.
Maybe it was the Sephora thing I told you to order and you saved $15. This is definitely not Millennial Monopoly. Still on my Christmas list, folks. Okay. Sephora. So the grand prize that I was able to get, well, what my husband got me, was the gold palette by Natasha Denona. And my husband was really cute, and he said, I actually do watch your videos because you said this was the #1 item on your Christmas list. So this was my grand prize. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that little surprise date that my husband had for me. I just thought it would be something nice to share with you guys. So Chris and I, we hope that you all have a fantastic holiday. Our whole family hopes that you have a fantastic Christmas with whatever you are doing, and I will talk to you all very soon.